I'm a beautician, a barber. I'm specialist in male haircuts and female haircuts. Yeah, that's what I do to survive.
That's good. How is it?
And I'm
It's a
airway.
it's a big business in Nigeria, especially for male specialists. I don't know about them, but the male they get more paid than female in Nigeria. You know what I'm saying?
Sure.
So for here, I've seen some. There's a shop. There's a shop on down the down that road. This is to your right. I think something Mazi or something. There's a stylist shop there. I used to see some
What's the color of the shop?
black and pink.
Okay.
Yeah, I used to see some guys there too.
Okay.
If you go straight,
Yeah. Just down here, right?
just down there.
Close to the jean shop, right? I
Mm,
think Miss Meth Beauty Studio, right?
yeah,
Okay.
I used to see some guys there.
Okay.
So that's the only place I've seen, you know, maybe for the first time.
Mm-hmm.
My experience for the first time seeing guys. But Nigeria,
Mm.
lot of them, lot of guys.
So what do you think about that shop?
The shop,
Yeah.
it's a nice shop. It's clean and it's new. It's new as in the mixture, the